NT, you made this?
Oh, what's good, YouTube? Back here again. Another day on the vlogs, another day at Tokyo. And today we're watching the Tokyo Black Rams play, the rugby league team.
How exciting! We're here at their Olympic Park to watch them play, so that's so cool.
Yeah, it's awesome out here. The vibe's on. It's super busy, man.
It's
the first game of the year.
Yeah.
It's at the Olympic Park, so it's a big game. And yeah, I'm keen for the Black Rams to win. Because I've come to watch here, because I thought I'd come to Tokyo and my mate Samuel Wackerbacker from school was playing. So I thought, man, I'm here, I've got to go watch him play.
That's so cool.
I'm sure today he's going to kill it. Good luck to him and all the best for his future and everything. I'm keen to get in there and get our seats. Our seats should be right behind the bench, so I'll hopefully get in there and get some footage of him. And I went to the merchandise and got a towel with his name on it.
Oh, you're such a good friend, darling.
Because I said, what merchandise do you have? Jersey? He said, nah, nothing, hat, nah. Just a towel. So, all right, I got the towel then, you know? But yeah, man, I'm keen. First rugby league game at Tokyo.
I know, I can't believe we're watching this.
Always watch it NRL at home and go to the games and that, but to be overseas and watch it, that's something different.
Different experience.
Yeah, different experience. I'm keen.
All right, well, we'll see you guys in there.
Yeah, we'll see you guys in there. Let's get a mad linebacker in the game. So close. Let's go, Waka!
後が入っています。
Nice, good tackle. Another one.
ここで先ほど行われました選手の入れ替えのお知らせです。埼玉パナソニックワイルドナイツ4番ホッキーバーナードに変わりまして19番レディアパワーが入っています。
Nice work, goal. Go Waka! Yeah!
本当にいいチームになっているというふうに実感があります。ファンの皆さん。
冬をもっと気持ちよく過ごしましょう。ヒートテック総選挙について詳しくは
Hey guys, welcome back.
Back here, guys. This at Coco Curry House.
Yes, getting some food.
Yeah, we just watched the footy and then started walking back. And we made a little pit stop at Uniqlo. Got this new hoodie, 2 scarves, and Lena got a new jacket, which is pretty cool. I like your one.
Yeah, it's like a really soft fleece jacket, so I'm excited to wear that.
It'll keep you warm for sure.
Yeah, it will.
Just can't get over the weather. Like, I'm just getting used to it still, man. It's just freezing
It's just
every day.
so cold, and especially at the stadium, like it was just freezing.
Because we were in the shadows too.
Yeah.
In the shade, man. I felt bad for the people like running around, man. You know, footy players, you get used to it, but
True. But still, everyone being covered up and you're wearing a t-shirt and shorts.
yeah, especially when you're on the bench, man, you'd be freezing cold. Like, coach, get me on the field ASAP.
But yeah, it was really good seeing your friend play.
Yeah, shout out to Waka, you're the man. It was so good catching up with him, seeing him again after all these years. Because I actually played with him at school footy.
That's crazy. Good on him. You're such a good friend, darling.
Yeah.
Such a good person coming to Japan and making the time to see him play. That's really sweet.
I had to. It'd be rude to not come, but he's here playing, you know. He's my friend. I have to go see him.
Oh, that's sweet.
But yeah, because I was in year 8 and he was in year 7, so he was in the year below. That's when I first met him. I always played footy all these years, played first grade at St. Greg's, and now he's off playing in Tokyo. Like, he's killing it, eh?
It's insane. Good on him.
And he's been here for 3 years now.
Crazy. Crazy.
Good, like, caught up with him at the end a little bit, spoke to him, you know.
We bought a towel with his name in Japanese on it.
Yeah,
so
that's
that was
sick. I'm gonna
pretty
keep
cool.
that.
Yeah.
Waving it up
holding
like
it up.
this.
Yeah.
Saying, let's go, Waka. But man, so the team ended up losing.
which was unfortunate, but they played well. It was
Yeah,
it
they
was
played
close
well.
at first, but then once the other team had the momentum, they just kept scoring.
Yeah, I know. So I was telling the coach, man, I said, put Waka on. Impact off the bench, you know, could turn the whole game around.
Yeah, true.
But nah, it was alright. He played for about 25 minutes, you know. Went on, done his thing, went to work straight away, had a good couple of runs, tackles, good communication out there. But yeah, it was just too little, too late. But that's alright, next time. I'm just happy, you know. Got his name in Japanese too. These guys are probably wigging out thinking like, what?
Who is this guy?
Why is he buying this for? Don't worry about it, it's my boy from way back.
And when we were at the stadium, Lachlan was telling me that is their Olympic stadium. So the Olympics were held there, and we were there.
The Tokyo Olympics, yeah.
That's insane.
So the footy field's in the middle and then all the running tracks are on the outside.
Wow.
And then right outside the stadium, I'm not sure if I showed it in the footage or not, but there's diving boards right there. And man, they're tall, like all the way up.
So many stories high. That's
I'll jump off
scary.
stuff, yeah, but I don't know if I jump off that, eh?
Into water especially, like, oh, that's scary.
Well, nah, man, it was a great day so far, and good I got to watch some rugby league overseas.
That's so cool.
And see my friend, of course.
Yeah. Oh, was it Union?
Union, of course. Yeah, Union. What am I talking about? Rugby league. Good, we got to watch some rugby union overseas.
Yeah.
The Black Rams, that's my new favourite team. Tokyo Black Rams, all day.
I like that their ram looks like Arpa.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
All the little kids have little plushies.
Yeah. But yeah, so we're just gonna enjoy our food. Got something nice, hot and warm because it's so cold outside.
And we're fanning some chicken. Chicken
Finally.
curry.
It's like a Japanese style chicken curry because they do eat curry that's mostly like pork. So I'm keen to eat
And
some chicken.
it smells so good in here, eh? Like as soon as you walk in, just nice and warm, relaxing in here. Keen for a good feed because yeah, we only had. I think we stopped at Family Mart in the morning. Stopped at
Again.
Family Mart, egg sandwich, chicken, you already know. And I got an iced coffee from there, which was pretty nice. And yeah, you went to Subway, got your chicken Subway, ate that. But yeah, now, that was hours ago now, so we're due for some food.
Yeah.
But yeah, the stadium was actually gone. It was a really good stadium and it was pretty busy. I was thinking it wasn't going to be that busy there, but heaps of the locals went. And I was just there, some big white guy standing out, holding Wacka's riding. But no, it was so good, man. I'm glad Wacka's found a good team. Seems like he's got some good friends there. Because at first I thought it was a rugby league team. And I said to Lena, I was like, nah, he's always been better at Union. You should play Union. And then we found out that it was Union. Lucky, man, he's a beast. But yeah, shout out to Samuel Wackerbacker on the come up right now. Make everyone back home proud. Putting Campbelltown and St. Greg's on the map. Remember the name. It's going to make it big out here.
Can't forget it.
You can't. Wackerbacker.
Can't forget that.
Always been big and strong, even back in the day, you know? Pumping everyone. I'll try and find some clips and insert of him, like his highlights and that.
Sing to a masterpiece. Who wants to walk right now? They don't even want to talk right now. Get involved right now. Watch them boys. Inside business. But why these boys never learn? I pick up the line and get to the boys. It's time we put in that work.
But yeah, guys, we only got 3 more days left in Tokyo. It's gone so quick.
It has.
I'd love to hear every second.
Me too.
So it's 2025. I'm trying to come back again this year if I can, hopefully. See how everything pans out.
Yeah.
I'd love to, man.
I'd love to as well.
Because they say come in different months. It's like a whole different experience
Yeah.
in a whole different place.
Yeah. But I love that we've come in winter.
Yeah. Christmas
that.
time, but Christmas vibes, you know?
Oh, the winter is getting to me, guys. I woke up this morning and I had a sore throat.
No. That's alright. You'll bounce back from
Yeah,
that.
I'll get better.
It's nothing.
Yeah. All right, let's review this.
Yeah, a bit of a review on this chicken curry for you guys. It's like a chicken schnitzel, rice, and the Japanese curry. Takimasu.
How is it? I love that they like.
That's good. So I got the schnitzel, and I got little pieces of fried chicken too. You know, extra protein.
And I got a schnitzel with just rice and the curry.
Man, all this good eating, I'm gonna be killing it when I go back to the gym. Straight up beast mode.
Eat hard, train hard.
Yeah, on holidays right now, you know, I went to the gym consistent as last year, you know, where hard. Often, yeah, all the time. 3, 4, 5 times a week. So now holidays, kick back, you know, live it up a bit. And then when we get back, you know, it's game on.
Game time again.
Coming in hard 2025.
How is it?
That fried chicken's really good.
Yeah.
They do their fried chicken different than Australia. Because we'll think of getting ramen. And then we're walking around looking for ramen joints on Google Maps and that. And then see in the corner of my eye, cocoa curry. I was like, man, I gotta go there.
And you know,
Yeah, bro, that spot looks gone.
I'm always down for curry.
Yeah, curry anything.
It was cool. Like I wasn't sure whether it would be like an Indian curry, but it's a Japanese curry place. So I think that's cool.
I love the Japanese curry flavor.
Me too.
It's real strong and dark flavor, but it's good.
Yeah, it's like, you know, like Indian curry is maybe like more on like the turmeric side.
It's a soy in it, but I feel like.
Yeah, I feel like it's a different flavor, a different taste, and a different color.
Different everything, really.
Yeah, it looks more like gravy based.
Yeah, gravy, that's for sure.
But yeah, it's really good.
Out of all the Japanese curry I've tried, this is probably top 3.
Yeah.
So I'll probably give this exact curry right here with the schnitzel, the fried chicken, and this must be shredded chicken in there too. So it's 3 pieces of chicken,
You're crazy.
3 types of chicken in one curry
You're crazy.
with the rice.
So what do you rate
I'm just
it?
gonna say it. It's flat. It has to be the best one because we're here in Tokyo too. It's got all the curry, all the chicken, all the rice.
Because I would say this is probably the best Japanese curry that I've had.
Yeah, I was thinking the one at the square, but I was like, I can't say that number 1. That's pretty gun, but thinking,
The square, MacArthur Square, Campbelltown. You're comparing that to...
That's what I thought about. Nah, this one's better for sure.
I really like this curry. I like that it's like a chicken schnitzel.
You love
rice.
schnitzels though. Schnitzels your go-to.
Yeah. And the curry on the side. I like that. Because I don't like my food touching, so I like that it's all like separate and you decide your ratio. I like that.
Yeah, you don't like stuff being mushed together without
I
you
don't.
doing it.
Yeah. I'm just very particular with things. Anyways,
Yeah.
guys, we're just going to enjoy our meal and we'll see you when we see you. Peace.
MT, you made this?
If you see it, you know you have to
YouTube, back here again. Just finished with the car meet. Man, that was awesome.
That was so cool.
Bro, that was so cool. All the proper cars. Felt like we're in the movie of Fast and
It
Furious.
really did.
Like I was waiting for Han just to pop out of nowhere. Han, where you at?
Yeah, that was so cool seeing all the cars and
Hundreds and hundreds of cars,
so
man.
many.
All the neon underglow.
Everyone revving it.
Yeah, revving it up. Like, man, those cars sounded hectic. And just like walking around and being in like the car environment, like car meet.
Yeah, like everyone is obviously a car enthusiast, so it was nice to be around there and people sharing their love for cars. It was really cool.
Yeah. Taking heaps of gun photos and all mad videos. Like as you guys would see in the vlog anyways.
Mm-hmm. It's like I just couldn't get over like how big the car park was and how many cars there were there, because it's a regular car park. So there are people that have just parked their cars there to go elsewhere.
Yeah, there's a few normal cars,
Yeah.
but that's the spot where all the underground like tuner cars and JDM cars, they all go there. And it was a Saturday night, so you know it's really busy. And our guide that took us there, because you can only go there by car, you can't just walk there, because it's, you guys will see in the video, it's surrounded by highways. There's
Yeah.
all overpasses and that everywhere. So it's like a car rest stop.
Mm-hmm.
And our guy said that he took people there yesterday, and he said the police come and shut it down by 6:30.
Which is so crap.
Yeah, that's bad, because we got there at 6:30.
Yeah.
So he said, you know, you guys are lucky. We got to go there for maybe just over an hour,
Yeah.
walk around and experience it all. Which was, man, there was a Lawson there, which was pretty gun. Had to get another egg sandwich from there, a bit of chicken. Awesome experience. Would definitely recommend if any of you guys come to Tokyo, Japan, get a guide, go there, and yeah, live the Tokyo Drift lifestyle. But yeah, no, and then he took us to Shibuya Crossing. Saw some mad cars there. You know, that felt even better. Like, it was super busy
Seeing
there
them
too.
out and about.
Yeah, seeing them out and about. But they don't hang around there for long. Like at the car park, you know, they all park up and everyone walks around, talks this and that. But at Shibuya Crossing, you have to be there at the right time to see it.
Yeah. Because it's just so busy at Shibuya. It's insane.
And you can't park for long. Like
Yeah.
our guy was saying, like there's hefty parking fines there.
Which I would see, because like it's such a busy place. Like anyone, if you just break the law, like, you know, it's a
You
really
gotta pay
big
the money.
deterrent.
You
Yeah.
gotta pay the money, yeah. But I'm surprised these guys don't get in trouble for their cars. Like they can have underglow and like speakers pumping in there, like revving it up.
Lucky.
I know they're lucky.
New South Wales is just so oppressing.
Do you get fines left, right, centre in New South
I know,
Wales?
like just let people live out their creativities through their car.
They're just too greedy, man. They want to just collect money on every single little piece.
Oh, well.
Window tint too dark, yep, fine.
Yeah.
Car too low, fine.
It's allegedly a safety thing, but
Yeah,
come
the
on.
tyres stick out too far, fine. Car too fast. I just want to be too fast, too furious, man. I just want to drive fast.
I know.
Born to be fast.
Yeah. Yeah, we had such a good time there, and our tour guide was great, and this couple that was also on the guide with us were cool too. They were all
Yeah,
the
they're
way
from Mexico.
Mexico, so it was nice to meet people from different countries.
Yeah, it was cool. Yeah, we got on with them. They were nice. They've been here for a couple of days, and then they just thought, you know, we've got to book it. We've got to go. Like we see in the Fast and Furious movies, we've got to go see it. It's like everyone thinks the same thing. But nah, I loved it, enjoyed it. We're just back near our hotel now. We're going to go get some food. So I'll see you guys then.
Bye.
Alright guys, we made it back to the room and we stopped
got-
off and got a little treat.
Yummy.
Had to try at Domino's over here in Japan. Got something different on the menu.
Yeah. How did you?
So I got this pizza rice bowl
Yum.
and it comes in this little box, which is cool. With it got wedges and chicken. Little fried pieces of chicken.
And I got a pizza with some wedges and some cheese sticks.
Very
Half
small though,
over
isn't
way.
it?
Yeah, it is quite small.
Alright, so this is the chicken, guys.
And I want to try wedge.
Not bad. How's the wedges?
Bit dry.
Bit dry. Come on, Domino's. Pick a game up.
Like, not fresh. And I've got a cheese stick here.
Just a little light snack to wrap the day up.
Cheese stick is good.
Let's load this up.
Yum. And I've
Oh, that
got,
was good.
like the carbs weren't enough. I've got this pizza and it's got like mayo, like a cabanossi and potato on it.
This tastes just like a meat lover's pizza. Same exact flavour. You know we had to load this one up.
The pizza's really good. I actually like it. It's very flavoursome.
Alright guys, that's enough for one day. We're going to finish our food, go have a shower, relax, and get ready for tomorrow.
We'll see you guys then.
See you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Later.